Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's an Oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I'm about to use on this 12 by 16 inch canvas, pre-primed. This is Sherwin-Williams white latex eggshell finish. Seems to work very well for me. That thing in the middle is my swipe card, which I will put down here. And see how quickly I can go around the edge, spreading my paint. And then also spread it back toward the middle. That way I have a whole lot less runoff in general. And I still have pretty good luck scooping and dragging. Now I got to admit, it's getting dark in here and I can't hardly see the difference between the canvas and the paint. And I might have used a little more than I should, but I'm hoping that's not the case. She still continues to add more. I think I will let that flow a little bit around. I hope that's a bubble I see over there. Okay, so I've decided my colors today, and I just decided to use some gold as a base. And in this case it's going to be something I can get out of a bottle. Let's just use the Indian Spice. And screw that back on. Now I've got Primary Element Rhapsody Rose. That's a Prizm Pour. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. This is Rhapsody Rose. I don't know that I've used this for scoop and drag yet, but I might have. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold from Golden, which is clogging up on me. It's time to open that more thoroughly. For the tool, I wanted to use a little bit of this Indigo Violet, which I don't have very much left of. I believe it's a primary element. And I want some Wild Orchid, which is Prizm Pour. And last but not least, maybe not least at all, you never know, this is a Primary Element Ginger Flower. Now, if I want my Mayan Gold as a swipe color on top of my cell activators, I'm going to have to, quick like a bunny, make it accessible. So that's me clearing the tip with my very pointy, sharp stainless steel tweezers that you can find on my Amazon link that's on my link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and you'll find my 2 books there too. So I have a large card, and that's what I intend on using. With Amsterdam Black and Australian Floetrol to start with. My Amsterdam White is a little thinner than I'd like it to be. I think I said in my last video it's time for me to order some more. And this is Mayan Gold. This is a Prizm Pour. Wow. And something's become very unlevel about my turntable and I have no idea why. So let's just bring that back in the other direction. Let's swipe from this direction. I may wind up putting that back on the canvas. I caught a layer of paint as I started, so I have no idea what's going to happen, except for that I want to let it all go back that way. The only problem with not cleaning the paint off my silicone mat in between is then I've got all this paint that's wet, and I tend to stick my fingers in it. And I've got all this paint. What am I going to do with that? I'm going to put it right on the canvas. Obviously, I'm going to have no problem having spin off. Throw that in the bucket. This is different. Let's just go to town. I wanted some black and white cells, but they're not exactly the kind I was after. Doesn't matter what I take from the edge because it will get lost when I spin. Which occurs to me, it's the perfect stuff to steal and put back into the painting. I may not keep my edges either though. So, when you scoop up from the canvas, you've got to remember to release the pressure before you drag. I'm not sure why I'm wasting any time with that. If I'm impatient and I wait a moment, I can maybe get those cells to come off of my palette knife. I kind of want to clean my palette knife off actually. Pull up. This might be pretty cool. Sometimes the things that aren't going the best turn out to be the things you learn the most from. This could be that easily enough. So if you scrape down a canvas like I like to, make sure you go back over that area with some other color so you don't wind up with a gap of canvas. Sometimes I wish I could just tip instead of spinning, but it really depends on how much paint or how deep your paint is. That's some really neat stuff in there. I like it a lot. And it's a shame, I know that we'll lose a whole bunch of what's on the edge. Oh, those purple cells really didn't break up badly at all. I gotta remember that. If I had another palette knife handy, I'd scrape the paint right off. Guess what? I probably do. No, I don't know what that mark is, but that's okay. So, how close am I? I'm getting closer. think I'm almost to a point where I could be okay. I kind of want to steal some of this right here. But I wasn't sure if I was correct in my assumption that it would be able to go somewhere else. I think I got away with it. I hope so. Little tricky maneuver there. Pop that bubble. Look for any place that I need to put a spiral in. Grab a skewer. Maybe I'm less into the spirals this time and more into the pulling. I'm going to be sorry to see some of that go. Nothing down here is probably going to stay, so pardon me for wasting our time. Let me get my extra things out of the way. Cross your fingers that this is half as cool as it looks right now. Oh, look at that. I made a mess. I don't want that in there, so I'm just going to poke at the paint, and it's going to make that mark disappear. I'll add a little spiral in there just to be sure. That comes from dragging stuff. Those are gorgeous colors. I'm loving those colors. I want a picture of that. I will take a picture of that, hopefully. I just dropped my barrier on the floor and it's covered with wet paint. Let's make sure that the turntable can spin. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, wow. Score. I'm going to remember this color combination. That indigo violet is the bomb, especially with the rest. All right, I'm not sure how much further I want to go. Let me check and see how deep my center is. I can get away with that, I think. That's a beauty. Cross your fingers that we get away with it. If I have any little bits of uncovered side, it's not very much. I am going to take a moment to show it to you. It looks good from a bunch of different directions. I should spin that once more really slowly. And if I wonder where the paint came from on my pants later, I'll know. Yep, that got the last little bit out to go over the edge that I wanted to have over here. All right, let's give you a shimmer. I like it from this direction as well as the other one. Wow, that's dynamic. Oh, wow, I love this. Excellent, super. I hope I can continue in this direction. I really, really do. That Rhapsody Rose, that Primary Element Rhapsody Rose is awesome. As is, obviously, the Indigo Violet. Especially with a little bit of quinacridone. The quinacridone Nicolazo Gold comes in from Colourarte also in a Vivid Intense. And I recommend it. Let's get that piece of tape that's supposed to make me aware of my head and keep it out of the picture gone. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm so excited. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is perfect. I love this. This is definitely, wow, floats my boat right perfectly. All right, I'm going to have to watch the video myself again to make sure I know what I did exactly. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your thumbs up don't just boost my morale, they help my standing on YouTube. Your comments boost my morale and help my standing on YouTube. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com if you'd like to contact me in regard to purchasing of an artwork or inquiring about a private one-on-one class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Oh, what else? I'm so distracted. My Amazon link is on the link tree, very close to the Colourarte coupon code for 20% off. Check for Pixels paint design, good place to buy Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, P.E.s, other things that I use also. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that you leave me. I really appreciate the donations through PayPal. You keep me buying canvases so that I can come back again and bring you more tutorials. And those of you who've joined the membership, I hope you're enjoying the 80 plus, probably 90 plus by now, videos for members only. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. If you look on my link tree, you'll find my website, which I'd love feedback on my new website, and my old website that's going away in May 2023, I think. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio, and more. Appreciation group. If I missed something, you'll see it in another video. If you ever want to see one of my designs added to clothing at Le Gallerist or Society6 or Pixels.com for North America, just let me know and I will try and add it. That is my last minute, and I don't believe I need it. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll find out in another video. Oh, whatever I've forgotten is I post at 10:15 a.m. 7 days a week. So far, at the moment, that could change at any point in time. And I have 29 lists of 100 videos, and they are organized by topic and genre also. So if you need something, please just let me know, and I will add it to my inventory of... I will add it. I'm so distracted. I'm sorry. All right, I'll see you guys in on. Check out my community board for tomorrow's video and leave me a message if you'd like to. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I do answer questions. Love you guys. Bye for now. See you in on. Priscilla out.